Are you tired of spending a fortune on home repairs? What if I told you there are simple, cost-effective ways to maintain your home without calling in an expensive professional every time something breaks? In today's video, I'll show you how you can handle basic home maintenance tasks yourself and save hundreds or even thousands of dollars. No need for fancy tools or expert skills. Just a little know-how and a frugal mindset. Tip 1. Fix minor plumbing issues. Plumbing repairs can be expensive, but many common issues can be fixed yourself without needing to hire a plumber. Learn to fix simple problems like a leaky faucet, clogged drains, or a running toilet. There are plenty of online tutorials, and with a few basic tools, you can save big on small plumbing repairs. Tip 2. Commercial cleaning products can get pricey, and many contain harsh chemicals. By making your own cleaners, you'll save money and create a healthier environment at home. Create your own all-purpose cleaner using ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. It's eco-friendly, safe, and much cheaper than store-bought products. Tip 3. Patch small holes and cracks. Small holes and cracks in walls can easily accumulate over time, but fixing them is simple and inexpensive. Use spackle or caulk to fill in cracks or holes, then repaint the area. This is a quick DIY fix that can refresh your walls and prevent bigger issues later. Tip 4. Maintain your HVAC system. HVAC maintenance is essential to keeping your home comfortable and reducing energy costs. With a little effort, you can maintain your system and avoid costly repairs. Change your HVAC filters regularly, every 1 to 3 months. Clean the vents, and consider scheduling annual professional checks to avoid major breakdowns. 5. Instead of replacing worn-out furniture or appliances, consider fixing them yourself or giving them a second life with a simple repair. For broken chairs or sofas, replace legs, tighten screws, or reupholster. If your dishwasher or washing machine breaks down, try diagnosing and fixing the issue before calling a repairman. Tip 6. DIY yard maintenance. Taking care of your yard doesn't have to be expensive. With some basic tools and know-how, you can maintain your lawn, plants, and garden without paying for landscaping services. Trim bushes, mow your lawn, and plant native plants that are easy to care for. Learn how to create a compost pile, which will not only reduce waste, but also help your garden thrive. Tip 7. Energy-efficient home upgrades. Making your home more energy efficient can save you money in the long run by lowering utility bills and reducing the need for frequent repairs. Seal gaps around windows and doors with weather stripping. Install energy-efficient light bulbs, and consider adding insulation to attics or crawl spaces. These upgrades can drastically improve your home's energy efficiency. Tip 8. Keep your roof in good condition. Roof repairs can be some of the most expensive home maintenance tasks. Regular inspection and minor fixes can help prevent major damage. Inspect your roof for missing or damaged shingles and replace them yourself. If you're comfortable, check for leaks or hire a professional to do a quick inspection. Tip 9. Re-grout or re-caulk bathrooms. Grout and caulking wear out over time, and when left unchecked, they can cause leaks and water damage. Re-grout or re-caulk around tubs, sinks, and showers. It's an easy DIY job that can save you money and prevent expensive water damage repairs. Tip 10. Seasonal home maintenance checklists. Regular seasonal maintenance will help keep your home in top shape and prevent larger, more costly repairs. Create a checklist for each season, such as checking the foundation for cracks in winter, cleaning gutters in spring, inspecting air conditioning in summer, and winterizing your home in fall. I hope these frugal home maintenance tips will help you save money and keep your home in great shape. What home maintenance tasks do you prefer to handle yourself? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to subscribe for more frugal living advice and home improvement ideas. Hit the thumbs up if you want more DIY tutorials and money-saving tips.